Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS comments. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS multiple line comments. Comments can also span multiple lines. As you can see, we're having slash star and star slash. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our document. As you can see, we're having this our document in our previous tutorial. Let's get back to our code right here. Right here, inside our internal CSS. If you don't know what is internal CSS, you can check our previous tutorial on that. Inside our internal CSS, we give our document these comments, and this one is a single line comment. I've discussed about it. You can check our previous tutorial on single line comment, so you can be able to understand what I mean by that. Now, let's use our multi-line comments. If you want to use multi-line comments right here inside this element right here, let's see if it's possible. So for you to know if it is possible, let's say for instance now we're having this. Let's have this again. Let's have this again. And now carry this. Let's do it in this manner so you can be able to know if it is possible right here or it is not. Let's press. As you can see, it is possible to have multiple line comments. Now our h2 tag, everything inside this place will not display, will not working again, will not work again. Let's reload. Can you see? It's not working again. As you can see, this one shift to this place. Definitely all things we are having here is not working again. So this is multiple line comment. If you specify, as you can see, this one is one line, this is another line, and this is another line. We just use slash star at the beginning, and at the end of the document we use star slash. So, and again, let's remove this. Let's remove everything we did right here and leave this document in this manner. Let's get back to our big document. Let's say we are having our external document like this and we want to specify multiple lines of comments again. Let's say for instance we have a lot of code like this, and we want to specify comment. You know that we are going to come here and press slash star like this. Everything is going to gray out and it's not going to gray out and it's not going to work again. Let's reload our document. Can you see? Everything inside our code right here is no more working. But again, don't you forget, never forget your closing star slash again, so that in case you want to write another thing, as if you want to write a true, you want to style it again, it's going to be able to work. So let's say for instance now, if you don't have, let's say, let me give this background color so you can understand what I mean. Background color yellow. Let me give it yellow so you can be able to understand. Let's reload our document now. Can you see this is not working right now? H1, H2. We are having H1 in our document. So our background color right here is not working. Why is it not working? Let's confirm the reason why it's not working. Let's delete our color comments first. No. So let me do this. Let's get back to our document. Let's look for our H1 tag. This is our H1 tag, right? This is our H1 tag. Let's give it color. Let's give just the H1 tag the color. Let's give it color. Can you see it's not working? It's not working. Close and open your document again, and let's see if it's working. I want to show you something. That's why I'm trying to do like this. Can you see it's not working? One of the reasons why it's not working is because we are not taking color from here, because we have already specified color right here. This one is going to override the one that is inside here. Then I'll specify something different again. Let's say for instance I want to specify something different. Let's get like border. Let's give it border. So when we give it border, let's give it true precision solid. Let's give it border and reload. Can you see the border works? So that is the benefit of using this. As you can see, every document, everything that is inside our slash star slash right here, all of it commented out. So this can be anything beside this code. It can be code, it can be anything else. So that's how you do multi-line comment. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3. We have like five lines right here, and we comment everything out using just multiple comments in CSS. CSS multiple comment is what you are seeing right here. So let's say for instance now you want to comment out this one also. You can just use at the end, like you can just use slash star, but you have to delete this one right here. As you can see, let's save our document and reload. Can you see it's removed at once, as you can see? So that is the benefit of using multiple lines of comments. So try to practice this. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time into our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and to the next. Thanks. But well, once again, before I go, I want to show you something. In our previous tutorial, when we discussed about HTML beginners to the advanced, we have discussed about HTML comments also. In our HTML and CSS comment, this is HTML and CSS comment. From the HTML tutorial, you learned that you can add comments to your HTML source by using the less than and greater than. The less than is going to have the this apostrophe, and also as you can see they can have dash dash. We have discussed about that in our previous tutorial where we discussed about HTML CSS comments. In the following example, we use a combination of HTML and CSS comments. So let me try and do that. Let's see for instance, can you do this? Is it possible to use that HTML comment inside our CSS? Let's try it and see if we can do that. We can do like this. Can do like this also. Sorry. Can you see? We cannot use it for our multi-line comments. So in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this so you can make use of it also in your CSS document. It's very sensitive. It's very useful also. So I'm going to show you if you can use it in your CSS or you cannot. I'm going to show you something about it. If you can use it or you cannot, I'm going to tell you something about it in our next tutorial. What akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Bye bye. But don't you forget, you can use this in your, you can easily use this in your HTML right here, because we discussed about it in our HTML tutorial. That this is our, just gonna see. Sorry, it can be here. We have already have it close here. As you can see, all this comment out. Let's save your document. Can you see? So I just want to show you that we have discussed about it in our previous tutorial. So I'm going to show you some ways also. Maybe you can use it in your CSS or you cannot use it in your CSS. I'm going to talk about that next, maybe if possible. Practice make perfect.